Namaste. Take a quiet moment with me. Imagine you pull a tarot card, you turn it over, and you notice it is reversed. There is often a small tightening inside, a subtler fear. Is this bad? Today, I want to gently dissolve that fear because reversals are not negative, they are not punishments, they are not signs that something is going wrong. They are simply energy asking to be understood more deeply. Tarot is a language of energy. When a card appears upright, energy flows outward, visible, expressed, active. When a card appears reversed, the energy turns inward. It becomes quieter, more reflective, more internal. The essence of the card does not change, only its movement changes. And inward movement is not wrong, it is simply introspection. If the sun appears upright, we feel open joy, confidence radiating outward. If the sun appears reversed, joy may still be present, but perhaps hidden beneath self doubt. The light is still there, it is just dimmed. If the Empress appears reversed, it does not mean loss of love. It simply asks, are you nurturing yourself enough? Reversals often whisper, they do not shout. They invite awareness, and awareness is healing. Many times reversals point toward the inner journey. The Lover's reverse may ask, are you aligned with yourself? The Tower reverse may gently say, are you resisting change? Death reverse may softly remind, are you holding on to what needs release? These are not threats, they are tender mirrors. Reversal shows where growth is unfolding quietly inside you, and sometimes the most profound transformation happens internally long before the world can see it. You are not required to read reversals. Some readers prefer not to. But if you choose to include them in your practice, approach them with calmness. Never with fear, never with superstition. Approach them with curiosity. Ask gently, where is this energy blocked? Where is it healing? Where is it waiting to be acknowledged? That is where wisdom begins. So the next time you see a reverse card, pause. Take a breath. Instead of asking, is this bad? Ask, what is this teaching me? Reversals are not darker, they are quieter. And in the next episode, I will share 4 simple ways to interpret any reversal. So you feel steady and confident every time. Until then, let the cards guide you inward. Sometimes what appears upside down is simply asking you to look within. Namaste.